Alright, so this is the Tyro119 kit, and there's all the parts, the frame, electronics, motors. I've already done a video on the Tyro129, and this is really similar. So the only difference between the 119 and the 129 are the motors and the length of the arm. So this is a 6-inch build versus the 129 being a 7-inch build, and the motors are the main difference. This has a 2407 1850 kV, so kind of really meant for 6S. And the other thing that is missing here is also the GoPro mount that is on the Tyro129, which is here. The Tyro129 came with 2507 1800 kV motor, so we got 7-inch arms in this guy, a little bit bigger motor, and the GoPro mount. The electronics are the same, camera's the same, got the same VTX antenna, it's got the same GPS. Obviously it's going to weigh different, and the performance is a little bit different, but the build is the same. So the way you put the frame together, the way you put all the electronics together, that's all the same as on the 129. And since I already did actually a whole series of videos on the 129, including a build overview with the parts and everything, really the only difference being the motors and the length of the arms, and no GoPro mount, there's not a whole lot of reason for me to do another build of this and a full review. So that's the thing I'm going to ask you guys. If you guys want me to build this out and do a full review like I did with the 129, let me know down in the comments. However, if you'd rather have me give it away, also let me know that. But keep in mind that if I do give it away, it's going to be with some conditions. And so basically it's not like, oh, I'm just going to give it away and I'll never see it again. You're going to have to work for it, basically. So keep that in mind before you leave your comments saying, I want this, I want this. You have to agree, and I'll also list all the conditions down in the description, that if I do give this to you, assuming that I decide to give this away, that you'll build it and fly it and send me the video footage so that I can at least show the channel what this looks like in flight. And I think that's the only thing that is really different, is how is this going to perform in flight compared to the 7-inch version. My assumptions here are obviously a little bit less flight time. You're going to get a little bit more performance because it's going to fly more like a 5-inch. But yeah, I mean, all electronics are pretty much the same, just a little bit different flight characteristics, and obviously with a different motor. You know, this is all cheap stuff here. This is not. These parts here aren't going to blow anyone away. It's a budget build. It's going to get you in the air. You know, Tyro motors are, you know, pretty low quality. I mean, they're okay, not the best, but they'll work. And all of my Tyros are still working except for the 69, which had a bad motor out of the box, pretty much. So that's it. So yeah, let me know down in the comments what you guys are thinking. If you guys want me to do a full review, please let me know that. If you would rather see a giveaway and then have the winner send me the footage and show the channel the footage later, I can do that too. So yeah, let me know about that down in the comments, and we'll I guess I'll follow up on this a little bit later, so you'll probably get my response to this, and also we'll see if someone won or not. Anyway, that's going to do it for this video, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one.